What's going on, guys? Dustin with Cardboard Hobby. We're breaking 2016 Prestige Football to 6-box half case break. August 29th, 2016. Teams and owners. We got Alex with the Buccaneers, Anthony M with the Packers, Billy with the Cardinals, Ravens, Panthers, Christine with the 49ers, Deb with the Bengals, Gerald with the Raiders and Steelers, excuse me. Gregory with the Bears, Jerry B with the Texans and Saints, John K with the Seahawks, John W with the Browns, Ken with the Vikings, Natasha with the Jaguars, Robert T with the Redskins, Robert V with the Patriots and Jets, Rod K with the Broncos, Ron K with the Cowboys, Rams, Dolphins, Giants, Eagles, and Titans. And then Stephen S. rounding us out with the Falcons, Bills, Lions, Colts, Chiefs, and Chargers. There's our teams, guys. There's our owners. Here's our boxes. We'll go through them quick so you can see that they're all sealed. We did the first half last night. This is the second half tonight, obviously. CMD, what's up? What's the question? Feel free to ask anything. Here we go. There's our boxes, guys. It's out of the way. Here we go. Good luck. Cracking. Okay, guys, I'm going to start pulling these off the top as well. If anybody wants them, go to PaniniGridiron.com, enter promo code PrestigeFB16 for 10 free packs. They all say the same thing. So, everybody's, rather than shipping them out, you guys can also use that code. They all have the same promo information on them. So. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Starting off, we'll go through the base quick. God, these are a lot of upside down cards here, so we'll have to fix those as we go. Go through the veteran base quickly, then we'll go through the rookie base so you guys can all see those. Alright, rookie base. Vannett, Lawler, Coleman, Foster, Elliott, Peak, Ramsey, Lee, Lawson, and Johnson. We got a redemption to start us off. Redemption for Seattle, veteran auto, Thomas Rawls. Thomas Rawls for the Seahawks. And then out of 100, Le'Veon Bell. All right. We got Noah Spence, Tampa Bay, Zach Ertz, Alex Collins, Jared Goff, Marius Thomas, and AJ Green. Insert. Yeah, CM DP, looks like it's working on my end too. I think it might just be, unfortunately, it might be your connection. All my, Steel, you got a problem too? It could be Twitch. Everything's up on my end. All the servers are connected. I have full green bar. It should already be playing. Let me check after I do this little stack here. I'll double check for you guys. Go back to the rookies again. It's definitely recording. It's definitely connected. I don't know what the deal is. I wonder if something with Twitch in general. Taylor Decker, Williams, Shepard, Treadwell, Aaron Green, Mitchell, Prescott, Eli Apples, could be right, Buckner. Hit goes to Brandon Allen of the Jaguars. Brandon Allen of Jacksonville. We got a Mark Ingram, Fractor, Hackenberg, Jets, Demonte Dawson, Austin Hooper, Ezekiel Elliott, Alex Collins again, and Darren McFadden. Let me, sorry guys, I'm going to stop for 1 second. I'm going to see if it's up on, if I can pull up the feed on my computer here. We're going to take a quick pause. For those of you guys that are going to be watching this on YouTube, we got a couple guys who are saying there's a little issues with Twitch right now, so we're going to check it out. Take a look at what we got going on here. Yeah, it says offline on this too. All right, let me, it's a Twitch thing. Hold on, guys. 1 sec. All right, I'm going to stop recording right here. I'm going to leave these cards frozen in this spot. I'm not going to move them. We're going to stop the recording, and we're going to try to fix this issue, what's going on. I have no idea what it could be. So bear with me, guys, for 2 minutes while I try to fix this.